Are you trying to decide between EQ Bank and Wealthsimple? Let's break it down. In this video, we'll compare these two popular options for managing your money. Both offer unique features that can help you save and invest, but they do it in different ways. EQ Bank is known for its high interest savings accounts. It focuses on helping you grow your savings with competitive rates. You can easily access your money whenever you need it, and there are no monthly fees. It's a straightforward way to save. On the other hand, Wealthsimple is an investment platform. It helps you invest your money in stocks and bonds with a user friendly app. You can start investing with a small amount of money, and they offer automated portfolios. Wealthsimple also has options for socially responsible investing. Now, let's look at some key differences. EQ Bank is great for saving, while Wealthsimple is all about investing. If you want to earn interest on your savings, EQ Bank is the way to go. But if you're looking to grow your wealth through investments, Wealthsimple is a better choice. When it comes to features, EQ Bank offers high interest savings and no fees. Wealthsimple provides investment accounts, tax efficient investing, and even a robo advisor service. Both tools have mobile apps that make managing your money easy. In terms of pricing, EQ Bank has no monthly fees, which is a plus. Wealthsimple charges a small management fee on investments, but it's generally low. So, who should choose what? If you want to save money with high interest, pick EQ Bank. If you are ready to invest and grow your wealth, go for Wealthsimple. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more comparisons.